films. As always, we have a lineup of 47 of the best films made in this country, from a total of eligible 190 features and 109 non-features in the Indian Panorama section of the International Film Festival. We will get a wonderful flavor of the feature films as well as documentaries and shorts in several different languages. As you know, Indian Panorama is the best showcase not only of our diverse cinema, but also of our very talented filmmakers.
The good news is that I will not go through my printed speech, which is about 3.5 pages long. I'll just say it is a great occasion for all of us. Particularly, regional cinema has been developing even in the state of Jharkhand, where I come from. They have come up with new policies, and filmmakers from tribal communities, from remote communities, they are now coming forward, showcasing their talent. It's a great thing which is coming up all over India, the new platforms which have emerged. They have granted scope to the filmmakers from remote and regional areas. Next year will be the 50th year of IFFI. I wish all the best to IFFI and also to all the filmmakers and particularly to the audience, because after all it is you who watch films, and that is what encourages the filmmakers and those of us who are in the garden. Thank you very much.
Which is here for the screening. We have, of course, the producer Madhukar Joshi. We have the cinematographer of this film, Ravi Ranjan, his assistant Tathagat Mukherjee. We have the dialogue writer, Dr. Smita Rambe, the editor Amok Barve, the AD Pratna Kaushik, and finally the music composer who has come all the way from Bombay, Susmit Limari. So I just call upon the entire crew to contribute here today. It did not take much time. But 4 years back, I was there standing in the line in the queue to get into this theatre after 4 years. I'd like to thank the jury members, IFFI, for such a wonderful organization and everything, because finally for us, the young filmmakers, we look forward to IFFI, because it's a kind of a stepping stone, it's a good platform for your script and the story if you know how to tell it. So, having said that, we have made this film, which is a very great, intense story inspired by true events, with a very growing important problem regarding silent mothers. So, we have tried to give that, them a real tribute and handle a subject which is not really much talked about. I won't say whether it is really has been made in a good way or not. That you're going to decide after watching the film. But having said that, I truly thank the jury members and the entire support that we got from actors. The lead actress, Veena Zamka, was going to be here, but due to some circumstances and shooting, she really couldn't make it. But it is her dedication, along with her Sandesh Kulkarni, Swati Bovlekar, and many Goan actors like Gauri Kamath, Dilip Desai, and so many of them who have contributed to the film. So it's a real team effort, and that's a great experience. I really look forward to this. I just want to request Madhukar Joshi sir if he wants to say.
To reach this height, and also this was my first efforts to be a producer, to produce a non-feature films. I am very much excited and enormously happy, and no doubt, of course, the credit goes to my friend and the director of this Kharwas film, Mr. Aditya Zamade, and whole team. Thank you.
It's a great opportunity given to us by IFFI. I thank the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, all the juries, and IFFI, all volunteers for this opportunity. And I need not talk anything about my film, because you all know that it's directed by Sri Shaji and Karun sir. So you know more than me who is Shaji and Karun. So I request all of you to give full attention while watching the movie. It's very important that your attention is required, and rest is you have to tell us. And many of our crew members, actors are here, and I congratulate them for the cooperation, and they are all very, very talented people, whether they're a technician or an actor or whoever it may be, and I'm thankful to them also. Thank you.